Hi guys, welcome to Teja Tech YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to diagnostic your laptop without opening the hardware components. We can find the issue by using the diagnostic key. So I am using a Lenovo laptop. For Lenovo laptop diagnostic is F10. Other laptops HP F2 and Dell laptop diagnostic is F12. So I am going to turn on my laptop, Lenovo laptop. This Lenovo I am entering continuously F10. I'm entering continuously F10 for diagnostic my laptop. See now diagnostic page is opening. Now how to run all the components? Just to click on run all option is there, right? Click on R. Now select to quick attend Q, quick W, full attend, next to full R. Just to select Q for run the all components. I selected Q option. See now all components are running one by one. It will take 10 to 12 minutes to run the all hardware components. If it is anything fail means here we can see here fail 0. Now it is 0. If anything hardware components is failed, you can see the failed how many components. Otherwise we can see the process, how many components are processed, any issues. Okay, now it is in progressing. We can wait 10 to 12 minutes. We will find the issue. If we find the what is the exact issues, hardware components. If there is no issue means it will show all tests process. This is the simple way to find the hardware issues. Okay, without opening any laptop hardware components, we can find it easily to here. Okay, now friends. It is in progressing. I am okay. Lenovo diagnostic is F10 and HP diagnostic is F2. Next Dell diagnostic is F12. Okay. Can remember just if you want to check your laptop diagnostic, you can go and enter the diagnostic key number. See now memory is in progressing. Fan is passed, CPU is passed, next touchpad is passed, mouse also passed, keyboard also passed, battery also passed, display also passed. Now memory is in progressing. This is the easy way to find the hardware. See here we can see the battery percentage and what is the time. This is a simple method to find your computer hardware diagnostic. Okay, if you go service center, they will take money 500 charges, minimum 500 charges. If you want to run separate means we can run option is we can run like that also. Option is there to select. If you want to run all at one time, we can select QR option. Or for all components, Q for just a quick start. If you have any doubt, please comment in description. Comment in comment section. If you have any doubt, put the comment in comment section. After diagnostic all, just to click on escape to stop the test. It will take some time, 10 to 12 minutes, don't worry. You can observe what and all passed here. See, total now total 7 tests are passed, there is no failed. Total 7 tests, 10 tests are there. After 10 tests completed, just to escape, click on escape key. Now Lenovo boot key is F12. If you want to install any operating system, just select the F12 key. F12 is a boot key. F10 is a F10 is a diagnostic key, and F2 is BIOS setup key. Okay, you don't turn up your laptop while diagnostic your laptop.